So we're back, everyone. Thank you for joining me. This is post the shave. Still feels amazing. I was really surprised about that. So if you haven't watched the shave and how I thought about the products, go check it out. It was amazing. So products are in, new products. So we'll just give that an unboxing right off here. About amazing stuff from. Let's see. Now the soaps and splashes are from, there you go, America. Not easy to come by here in Europe. Found one site that takes them. Same place I have the HC&C, and yes, that's one of them. Slightly on the heavier side price-wise today. Of not the HC&C, that's standard. It's not like HC&C is inexpensive at all. It's a pricey soap, but you get the quality to go along with it. All right. I'm sorry that I'm just off camera. I'm right here. Just getting stuff in order to be able to show you, because it's all right. Pricey aside, we'll wait on that. We'll focus on HC&C, as I've already sort of told you. All right, let's just put these here. All right, the first soap, and I have bought a matching splash to this beauty here. The scent notes, to me, talk to me. It seems like a nice combination, but I have no idea what it smells like. But the label itself, and this is with the Rich Man Shaving Corporation collaboration. Yeah, I get that right there. Rice, a very sort of metallic. You know, the labels on these look amazing. A rice of a new era, and it is a hard one as it used to be. Let's have a go. Okay. Also, I have a hard time describing this. I've smelled this somewhere. Wait a minute. It's not a strong scent. It's about a 3, perhaps a 2, 3. But it's nice. It's posh. It's fancy. Date night worthy. As any HC&C scent that I've tried yet. I've smelled this somewhere before. In my childhood, on a vacation. That's all I can remember. Perhaps that's going to come back to me. I don't remember the scent notes, but I'm picking up some apple and some lemon in here. And I'm not at all sure if that's true at all. But that's what I initially pick up. If I had to sort of pinpoint, if I could get, but it's all blended in extremely nicely, as they, you know, usually is with HC&C and their soaps. Amazing. Also, got one of these. I have realized I'm an HC&C fan, and you know I love mentholated soaps. You do, if you watch the videos. But HC&C is one of the companies, besides Sterling, that's made me love on mentholated soaps. This is actually, it's actually a bit thicker than I had expected. Or sturdy, actually. It says HC&C here. Good one. Amazing scent. And I have the matching splash here. I don't know if this is with alcohol, because it just seemed like milky consistency throughout the bottle. same sort of starry effect. The camera doesn't do it justice at all. I suspect this is the same scent. So that's one of the things that's up for review. Sorry, just... Now I have no notion if this is on its own, or if this is like a sort of an homage to something. I've definitely smelled this somewhere before. Years ago, many years ago. I'm not that old, but yeah, years ago. And still so many years ago that I can't quite pinpoint where. So perhaps that's going to come to me later. But a nice scent, sort of a fresh, fruity, lemony scent type. The other one is a bit more on the pricey side. The price point goes a bit up on this one, especially on the splash, because that's almost 40. Well, that was 40 euros, and thereby also dollars. This is from Elysian. Elysian Soap Company, Atlantis. I love their labels. I've always wanted to try this since I first saw these lovely labels here. And I've now found a way to get them, some of them. And it just looks fancy, you know? It looks thought out, it looks planned, it looks exclusive. Not that HC&C doesn't, it is. It's an amazing scent experience. I've never tried this, but let's just see how it is when we open it. Kind of a goldish effect on this one, kind of like that. Alright, nice pour. Oh. It's a crope. Medium to firm. Get the ocean here. Get some kind of oceany vibe. A nice posh scent. Again, I have no, and the website, as far as I remember, did not provide scent notes, so I have to look that up. But it's a nice scent. Kind of, yeah, I don't know, watery, but that doesn't do justice at all. And, oh, this is a beauty perfume. I think this is only, I don't know how many milliliters it is, but look at this. I think it's only 50. Look at this. Look at the bottle. Look how exclusive this looks. And I don't know if they use or have or offer traditional aftershaves. I certainly couldn't get it from that website. We'll just pull that up. It looks like this. Same scent. Very exclusive looking this. So that's it. That's a new product that's going to be popping up. It's going to take a few weeks because they also have the spike and the mule stuff, and yeah. So that was it. That was it in the box. Not a lot of stuff, but stuff that's on the expensive side, and stuff that is amazing quality. Thank you for watching, and I'll hopefully see you through the next week at another shave. Take care. Bye bye. Hello again, and shortly after I finished the unboxing, I got a message that something was waiting for me. And it was this, the Vergulde hand, inexpensive shaving soap from Europe. And I just did a test lather of it on the skin. It's okay. It's not the best. Residual slickness. The slickness is good. The protection is nice. Didn't do a shave, so I just wanted to squeeze this in. It's a hard puck, 75 grams, and there's a lot of plastic that is wasted because the tub is like this, but the puck is like this. So there's a lot of plastic that goes to waste in this, but it has a nice logo, the gold-plated hand there, which means. The scent is my only issue with this puck. It reminds me like something from my childhood, not in a good way, It's a very sort of lavender forward scent, but also mixed in with something else, something artificial even. In my mind, in my perception, it's a bad scent. It's not nice, which is why it is included in this video, because I won't be using it to shave with. But I'd like to ask you, do you think I should put it in the giveaway section that I am combining soaps and stuff? So if you want this to be a part of the giveaway at some point, leave a comment below and say, yeah, add it. Also, yeah, if you like imagine a mid-80s or perhaps 90s scent, that's, you know, very fragrance forward, almost artificial. That's what you get here. And then again, in my mind, I don't enjoy that. I don't like that kind of scent. It's somehow artificial to me. That's it. So this is me signing off. Bye bye.